Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. Going for this week, we could see clearly from the left hand side of this chart is the daily time frame, and we see price rejecting through this region that it broke out from let's say on 16th December 2021. So at this point we could actually see there's a possibility that price could just come all the way to break through over here on the right hand side, break to 1800, retest it, and might see price come to 1815, where I might just be expecting a rejection and then we could just continue our rollover. Other than that, if price rejects 1800, then we could see price just roll over directly to 1750. Alright, so it's as clear as day. So what am I expecting currently? I'm expecting price to come to this place of this resistance, yeah, previously a support. So if price rejects 1700, I'll be expecting to take my short, and then we'll just roll it over to probably 1765, 1765, and then 1753. So let's see how this works. I'll catch you guys on Wednesday, and let's see how gold plays out. Ciao. Welcome guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. Today's Wednesday, and let's look at the outlook here. On Monday we said price would reject, probably if price rejects this region we could see price roll over to the downside, and right about now price broke through it. We had this bang to this point. I had my sales here with stop loss tight, and I took some partial profit before breaking even. I could see price broke through 1815. We are expected a much reversal there on 1815. Here on the 4 hours time frame you could see why I'm expecting 1815 region, but price broke through it. So going forward, we could see that price came here over to this zone and rejected it. So what am I expecting going forward? Two things. Price either rejects here, tap this trend line for a double confluence, and will continue our roll over to the downside, or price comes over here to make more like a double top kind of formation here. If you look at the daily time frame on the left hand side, you can see that price might just come over here to give a double top, and before you continue its rollover. Other than that, if anything, if price breaks through 1830 region, breaks through this point, retest it, then we could see price just continue bullish. This is as a result of the dollar weakness. Dollar is really weak, and then for the rest of the week I might just see price probably just reject this region and will come back. But beautiful setup would be if price ranks below water here and come to make a retest of this 1815 region, then we could see a beautiful sell down to 1760 and furthermore to 1750 region, covering this week right here. So going forward, I'm just expecting, let's see how price plays out, but a huge rejection of this zone we could just go in for a sell, and but I'll be more confident if price breaks back into this 1815 region. Otherwise, if you see daily close yesterday was very strong, so we could see price might just come all the way to 1830. I'm expecting price at 1830 region, a rejection of this region, then we could go in for more sales and as an early entry, and for the rest of the week we might see price break back down to this region. I'll catch you guys on Friday, and ciao. Welcome guys to weekly tracking here on gold, and today is Friday, the last day of the week. We have had successful trades here on gold. On Wednesday, price was currently at this region, and I was saying if price comes here, it gives us a rejection. Moreover, we see price coming to this region here, forms a double top. Regardless, you know, here on the daily time frame we could see it. I was expecting price probably even pierce through 1830 and come back and close below it, so that we could see that it's a pure double top there. So we could see maybe expect a further dump of gold. But right about here we saw opportunities to sell here on gold. Earlier I created this zone here, and then we saw a double top formation here, break back into it, a break of this trend line, the retest of it, and I went in for a good 1:4 ratio trade. Right about now I just currently broke even for this trade because of the news, and we'll slide into the 15 minutes time frame so we could see clearly what happened over here. This was the previous trade I had. I think that was yesterday. Yeah, that was yesterday trade. Beautiful. So we had these rejections, and when I saw price rejecting this region multiple times, so I decided to just break even and take some partials and break even. Actually price just came back here to take me out here right there. So right about now price really is not having more momentum. It's just early New York session, but there's a possibility price could still do a lot of dumping or break through the zone. Other than that, I think going into the next week will decide how price goes. But currently, I could see 1, 2, 3. In the past 3 days, we could see price really fluctuating between this region, which means a break of it will decide where we are going. If we're going through above 1833 or we're going below 1810, and that way we would figure out next week. Other than that, we had a successful trade from our tracking this week on gold, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Bye. Ciao.